Elevate your well-being journey with BBAT Enterprises. We're thrilled to introduce the BBAT Enterprises Health and Wellness Stan.store, a haven of digital resources crafted with love and understanding for individuals with disabilities and their devoted caretakers. Our meticulously curated selections are tailor-made to address the unique needs and aspirations of our community, making wellness an accessible journey for all. Our featured offering is a heartfelt eBook, available for complimentary download, dedicated to supporting both individuals and their caretakers, navigating the realms of visible and invisible disabilities. Discover a space where compassion meets empowerment, and where your well-being is celebrated and nurtured. Visit Stan.store BBAT Digital Services today to explore the myriad of ways in which we aim to enhance your holistic health journey. Engage with us, share your stories, and let's foster a community where every wellness journey is honored and supported.